FRINX uses Ansible extensively in its automated test environment. We love Ansible and our customers do too. Ansible already offers some networking capabilities, and we have extended these capabilities with FRINX UniConfig. Here is what we've added. Common data models for device and service abstraction. We use OpenConfig for device configuration and IETF models for service configuration. We've added snapshot, commit, and rollback functions. Network transactions for single device and multiple devices. Also, there's no more need for parsing of CLI responses. You can send and receive structured data from Ansible to UniConfig and the network. Let me show you an example. Hi everybody. Here we have two routers. One is an iOS device running locally here on my machine, a virtual device, and the other one is a Huawei device, a physical device running in a lab, and we are connected to it. We are looking at these two interfaces. They have both IP addresses, as you can see here, and also the Huawei device has an IP address. And what we want to demonstrate to you today is how we can use Ansible integration with FRINX ODL to change those addresses and use the ODL functionality or FRINX UniConfig functionality to make a network transaction and commit those changes. All right, so I've prepared two Ansible playbooks here. One Ansible playbook is here to assign a new address to the Huawei device, and let's have a look here. We assign a new address being 5, 5, 5, and 5, and then we also want to change that iOS device. So let's use 3, 3, 3, and 3. A new mask as well. All right, good. And now what we'll do is we'll run those playbooks. So one has run successfully, that's the Huawei one. Let's run the other one for Cisco. And what has happened now is we have staged those changes in the controller. The changes did not go through the devices immediately. We could have done that. There's a way to do that as well if we use our lower level plugins. But what we want to show you here is how to get intent into the devices in one transaction. The changes are on one device, removal of the 222 and swap that with 333. That's on the iOS device. And on the Huawei device, remove that 777 and substitute it with 555. Okay, let's go and commit this. And now what's happening in the background is we are going to the devices and making those changes. So we got both back. They're both completed. All the diffs should have been removed. And let's go to the devices and see what has actually changed. Now instead of 222, we have 3333, and here instead of the IP address 7777, we have an address of 5555. And you see, although this is a pretty sluggish connection, the thing still worked, and we have both devices changed to a new IP address in one transaction.